Have you ever heard about quantum physics and thought, what does it really mean? Today we're answering 30 quantum questions you've always wanted to ask. Simple, clear, no complicated formulas. Let's get started. 1. What is quantum physics? It's the science that studies how the tiniest particles behave, like electrons and photons. It's a world with strange and surprising rules. 2. Why is quantum physics so different? Because here, particles can act like waves, exist in many places at once, and even influence each other across space. 3. What is superposition? A particle can be in multiple states at the same time, like a coin that's both heads and tails, until you look. 4. What is quantum entanglement? Two particles can stay connected even if they're miles apart. Change one, the other changes instantly. 5. Can we travel faster than light using entanglement? No. Entanglement links particles instantly, but it doesn't send usable information faster than light. 6. What is wave function collapse? When we observe a quantum system, it chooses a single state. Before that, it's in a cloud of possibilities. 7. Is quantum physics just theory? No. It's proven by experiments. Computers, lasers, and MRI machines work thanks to quantum physics. 8. What's a qubit? It's the basic unit of quantum computing. Unlike a normal bit, a qubit can be 0, 1, or both at the same time. 9. How does a quantum computer work? It uses qubits to process huge amounts of information in parallel, using superposition and entanglement. 10. Will quantum computers replace regular computers? No. They will solve specific tasks like complex simulations and advanced cryptography. 11. What is decoherence? It's when a quantum system loses its special properties because it interacts with the environment. 12. What is quantum teleportation? Not like in movies. It's the transfer of quantum information between particles, not physical matter. 13. What is energy quantization? In the quantum world, energy comes in tiny, discrete packets. It's not continuous. 14. What is the quantum tunneling effect? A particle can pass through a barrier, even when it shouldn't, according to classical physics. 15. What is wave-particle duality? Particles can behave like waves. Waves can act like particles. It depends on how we measure them. 16. What is the double-slit experiment? A famous experiment where particles seem to pass through two slits at the same time, until we watch. 17. Do particles only exist when we observe them? Some interpretations say yes, but it's still a big debate in physics. 18. What is quantum vacuum? Even in total emptiness, there are quantum fluctuations. Space is never really empty. 19. What is classical physics? It's the science of everyday objects. Quantum physics takes over when things get incredibly small. 20. Why is quantum physics important for the future? It could revolutionize computing, medicine, encryption, and how we understand reality. 21. What is quantum internet? A super secure network based on entanglement. It's theoretically impossible to hack. 22. What is Schrödinger's cat? A famous thought experiment. A cat can be both alive and dead at the same time, until observed. 23. Can quantum physics explain consciousness? Some scientists wonder, but there's no solid scientific proof yet. 24. Does quantum physics break natural laws? No. It follows laws, but those laws are just very different from our everyday experience. 25. What is quantum probability? In the quantum world, we can't know everything with certainty. We can only predict probabilities. 26. What is quantum tunneling in modern processors? It's when electrons leak through barriers in small chips, creating problems as technology shrinks. 27. Can a global quantum internet be built? Possibly. China and Europe are already testing long-distance quantum communication. 28. What is a virtual particle? A particle that appears and disappears in quantum space. It's real, but only briefly. 29. Do quantum computers already exist? Yes, but they're still limited and unstable. Big tech companies are working to improve them. 30. Why are people so fascinated by quantum physics? Because it challenges how we see time, space, and reality itself. It feels like magic, but it's real science. These were the 30 quantum questions you've always wanted to ask. Which one surprised you the most? Write it in the comments. Subscribe for more mind-bending science explained simply. Like a video if you love exploring the weird side of the universe.